Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox app with the error code 0x87e00006 in Windows. And one of the issues recently brought to the limelight is the 0x87e00006 error, typically when trying to download or update a game via the Xbox app. And a few possible causes of the issue include corrupted gaming services installations, Xbox app not having proper permissions, stuck download cache, and broken network configurations. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update Xbox app and Windows. So all you have to do is to click on Windows Start button, and then you need to select Microsoft Store. And once you open up this Microsoft Store, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select Downloads. So here in Downloads, and you need to locate and find this Xbox app. Okay, so scroll down. And once you find already this Xbox app, and then you need to update. Okay, so there is one update available, and on right side then you can share this update and then click, and we will wait to complete the download and updates of this Xbox app. And once you complete this Xbox app updates, and then we need to close, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to clear store and Xbox app cache. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard, and pop-ups this run. So here inbox, and then we need to type this command keyword wsreset.exe. So just type this command keyword wsreset.exe, that is one word, and then click OK. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword to back to default settings this Microsoft Store and to fix the error. So once you're done here at Microsoft Store, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to set relevant services to automatic start up. So all you have to do is to click on a start menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type the services and then click open. And once you open up the services and services local and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Xbox. So scroll down, and then we need to update this Xbox accessories, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Live Game, and then Xbox Live Networking Service. So check the service. If it is already running, then select restart. If the services is not running, and then open properties. Alright, so we need to select this Xbox Accessories Management. So select and right click, and then check if the service is running or not. So since the service is already running, and then you need to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, in the next Xbox to modify, so select this Xbox Live Auth Manager. So same procedure, select and right click. And then you need to select restart because the service is already running. So click and wait to complete the restart process. And the other one, select this Xbox Live Game Save. So select and then right click, and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is not running, so all you have to do is to select and double click. And then here at General Properties, Startup Type, then you need to select this arrow and select Automatic. And here at Service Status, and then click Start and wait to complete Start process. And then click Apply, and then click OK. And after that, and the last Xbox that we need to modify is the Xbox Live Network Services. So select and then right click, and then check if the service is already running or not. So since this service is already running, then you need to select restart and wait to complete the restart process. Alright, so after here at services, and then we need to close, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Xbox app with the error code 0x87e00006 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.